Hello guys, it is me, Aliana from Life for Me, and today we are going to be giving my cat a bath. So, if you don't already know, my cat's name is Prince. So, this is going to be his scrubby. Okay, this is going to be his little scrubby. Gotta get it all soapy for him. I'll be right back. Guys, I got the scrubby. Ow! Ow, Prince, chill out. My fingers. Okay, so this is my cat, Prince. This is Princey Pooh. And one more time, I have to go get his towel. Hold on. Hold on. I got his towel. So we're gonna go ahead and start scrubbing him, see if he likes this warm water. Shh, it's okay, man. It's okay, buddy. It is alright. Come on. It's okay, buddy. Don't be scared. Okay. Come on, man. It's okay. It's okay. It is alright, buddy. Don't that feel good? Gotta give you a quick little bath, okay? Cause you thinky. He's scratching me. Ow! Prince, you cannot do that. We're not gonna do what we did last time, okay? Now we gotta give you a bath because you were shedding, okay? I won't get anything in your eyes. I just want to scrub you down, make sure you all clean, man. I gotta make sure you clean. You gotta be clean. Get out. Get out. Okay, man. Okay. It's okay. Do I need to get a leash for your hard-headed butt? Come here. I'm sorry. You have to. You're stinky. Well, not stinky, but you're shedding. And if we is going to take you anywhere, which by the way we don't, but if we are going to take you somewhere, get out. But if we are going to take you somewhere, you have to be clean. We don't want people to think we got smelly kitties and we don't sit there and literally clean you.
Yeah.
What do
I'll
you
show
want?
you.
Huh?
I'll come my car.
No, get out. I'm giving him a bath. You finna let him out. You're okay. Come here. You gotta brush your stomach.
I'll grab my finger.
Get out, if I go tell
I'll
Daddy.
grab my finger.
Okay, get out. Brothers, y'all. If you got a brother, y'all need to put in the comments, sweethearts. Put in the comments what y'all think of y'all brothers. Because mine are just annoying. You're okay. I'm not going to harm the little guy, okay? You're actually doing better than you did last time, buddy. You're doing way better. Now I got to see how I'm going to rinse you off. Considering you don't like water. I wish you did like water, though. You bite me, I'm going to hit you. Come here. See your arm. Do I need to go get gloves for you so when you bite me it don't hurt? Yes, do I need to go get gloves for you, sir? Because you're doing so good. Come on. I ain't finna get none in your eye, so stop it. Ain't nothing finna get in your eye. If I was finna get something in your eye, I was literally just going to, now you can give me back. I was going to let mommy do it. Like, how you gonna let mama do it, but you don't let me do it? That ain't fair. I'm not gonna get anything in your eye, so chill out. And if I were to get something in your eye, I would rinse it out right away. You just soak your color. Come on, man. Just gotta give you a quick little shower, okay? A quick little thing, okay? It will be A-okay. I'm gonna hold you. You're not gonna bite anybody, okay? if you gotta use the bathroom, I'll let you use the bathroom now. Ain't no child. You can't use the bathroom, I'll get in the bath. It's okay, man. I gotta get your paws. Paws be nasty anyway, because that cat there. Don't that feel good? Don't that feel good? You did not feel good. Let me know, because if it don't, I will take it off right away. I promise. Shh, it's okay. It's okay. Hey, what you meowing about? I just gotta get you. I just gotta give you a bath. You bite me, I'ma bite you. Okay? So don't bite me. I'm just trying to give you a bath. I need you to understand that. He looks so cute. Well, really, I'm not saying he's not. I'm not saying he's not cute. I'm saying while he's got a bath, he looks like a poodle. A big poodle. Look at this soapy thing. Cause you look like a poodle. See, you did that. So if you got it in your eye, that is your fault. So hold still and let me give you a bath. I'm trying not to get stuff everywhere, okay? I don't need to get in trouble. Oh guys, remember, hit that like button and subscribe and turn on your notification bell. And thank you so much for making me hit 200, over 200 subscribers. Thank you so much. I love you guys. And all my haters who are watching, all them people who said all that stuff in the comments when I was first making the videos, and y'all watching this video, please leave, because I do not need no drama, okay? No drama needed. It's okay. Do that not feel good? Because I know it do. You better stop before I put soap on you. You know what? Hold on, y'all. I'm finna go get the soap. He think I'm playing. The soup. Pour just a little bit on you, since you just small. See, look, you see all that hair on the top of you, boy? There we go. Now we getting soapy. Push. You said, no, Dad, I don't want to get soapy. I just want to get out. We'll get out later, man. But we got to fully wash you off. Gotta fully wash you off good, man. Washing your neck. No! You're not coming in. Okay, can I get the bottom of your paw, please? Man, that boy's not coming in here, so stop, Prince. He's not allowed at this time. Stop trying to run. I have to give you a bath. Huh? No, get out. No. I don't care. I said no, boy. Go to pot bathroom. Man, you better go to pot bathroom and stop trying to let this boy out. Eat this bath. You better stop. Ain't no candy for you. You need to stop. You want candy? Dad. Huh? You want candy? Yes. You better get out. You gotta get out. You gonna let him out and it's cold. He gonna get cold. Prince, stop trying to get out, boy. I'll put soap in your eyes. No, you cannot let him out. I'm not playing. Get your foot in. Hold on, guys. No candy. What? It's bath time, so come on. Okay, y'all, I'm gonna put y'all where y'all can see everything. Please get my phone out. Oh, yeah. It was about to fall, so can y'all please just sit right here? Please ignore that. Prince, okay? I need you to get in the bath. Please. Come on. Please don't scratch me. It feel good, it feel good. You see, it feel good. It feel good. No. See, it feels good. No, Princey. It's good water. Oh! It's good water. I'm trying to help you. It's warm water. You cannot get out. Get out. Get out. Get out. Get out. Dad, I'm gonna make Mama whoop you. Get out. No. No. It's okay. It's okay. Does that feel good, man? Get out. He's doing good. Get out. Ah! Get out. Go use pop bathroom. Dang, he was just doing good. You were doing good, buddy. No, don't you try. Don't you try it. Don't. No, I'm sorry. No. 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 No, I'm sorry. You see, it feels, no, it feels good. It's warm water, man. It feels good. You feel it? It feels good, buddy. I'm gonna make this title teaching my cat how to, what you call it? No, I'm just pulling up my pants so I can get in the bathtub with you. Get out first. I mean, you could get out the tub for a second. Then I gotta mop. Then my phone dirty. No, don't let him out. Get out. Oh my gosh. That boy. Okay. Okay. Come on, I'm gonna help you. I'm gonna assist you. I'm gonna assist you. That water actually feels good, man. Okay, I got my feet in the water, so this should be easier. See, you slipping. No. You can't get up. Don't that feel good, buddy? No. You gotta get it out. Prince, buddy. You want me to blow you off with the air dryer? With the hair dryer? I will if you want me to. See, he's like, guys, I don't want to do this. But you're doing so good, Prissy butt. Okay, stay right there. Stay. I'm gonna let you get out for a second, okay? Let me empty out this thing. Ugh. Okay. Come on. No. You can't. Sorry, you can't. No. And oh, Good boy. Okay, don't put your head to the water. There you go. Good boy.
What's the name of the game?
Hold on, y'all. So, come here. Okay. So this is my brother. Say hey. This is Dad. Say hey. Say hey, guys.
Hey guys.
He is 3. He's the one that's been getting on my nerves this whole time.
Oh, hey,
You're learning, little guy.
oh, good day, guys.
You're learning.
Oh, hey, guys.
I'm telling mommy about this one. I'm telling mommy about this one, man. Ooh. Here, I'm gonna do this so it don't go to you. No, I'm trying to help you. You want it in your eyes? Fine. I just put. I'm not gonna put it in your eyes. Ooh. I knew that was gonna happen.
Daddy,
I
please.
told you not to move. That was your fault, buddy.
Hey, Fred. Daddy.
Okay, it's okay, it's okay. Get out of the valve. We're almost done, okay? Just gotta do all that. We're done! Get out! Come on, you can get out!
Oh, Fred.
Okay, guys, that is the end of this video. Princey is now clean. So, bye-bye. Love you guys. Bye.